This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make viral mango sorbet. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 cups of frozen mango chunks, which are the star of our show. Next, prepare 1/4 cup of water or coconut water to help blend everything smoothly. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice for that essential tangy kick. Finally, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener ready if you like it a bit sweeter. Now, let's get blending. Place all your frozen mango chunks, water, lime juice, and sweetener into a high-speed blender. Begin blending on a low setting to break down the frozen fruit, then gradually increase the speed. Use a tamper to continuously push the ingredients down towards the blades, ensuring everything gets incorporated. Keep blending until the mixture transforms into a perfectly smooth, thick, and creamy sorbet consistency. Once your sorbet is perfectly blended, it's time to enjoy. For the absolute best texture, serve your fresh mango sorbet immediately. You can garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint or a few extra mango pieces for a beautiful presentation. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. It will keep well for up to 2 weeks. Just remember to let it soften for a few minutes before scooping. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your sorbet game. Always use very ripe mangoes. Their natural sweetness means you might need less added sugar. Adjust the amount of liquid based on how thick or thin you prefer your sorbet. For a fun twist, try experimenting with other frozen fruits like pineapple or berries. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.